So you will add two numbers of integer type. One is int a, int b, and what will return? Int c. C 0, int c equal to suppose a plus b. Okay, so if you want to add two integers, so you will add this function, right? This method, add this method inside a class, right? Isn't it? Or if I want to do float numbers, so I will do, what will do? I will do float, then once again I will do float, then float, then I will declare here float, and then I will, isn't it? I will do two add method but of different data types using the add. Okay, so this is a very odd process to do. So what happens? Generic allows you to class define a data types at the runtime. Okay, so what will you do? I will declare a generic type t. This class can handle any type of t. Either I can declare like this. Okay, then inside this class I will declare a suppose a array. So I can declare this array. Okay, so this array may be of integer type or float type. Okay, so for different array you can declare it. For this, generic allows you to make a single class with single data type, that is generic type t. Now I don't write to all these two separate methods once again, so I will comment it out. I will write this method public, this return t, then variable a will be of t type, variable b of t type, and tc is equal to null. You can write a plus b, then you have to cast it. Okay, so for time being this will no need to do that, you will see later. Okay, so you have to typecast, then you will return c. Okay, and then at the runtime you will declare this class or this method as, okay, what you will call? generic 1, this is integer, this is ga is equal to new generic integer. Okay, now we'll call, so I will make this class as integer type, so all the value will be here integer. Now I can call this ga dot add, then I can pass any number, right? 1 or 2. Okay, now you can print the value or you can write the logic here how to add this number. Okay, so now can you see now this is how much easy it is now with writing a single class. I can in the runtime I can declare this integer. Similarly for double also I have to declare, I can declare a class like that. How do you declare? Another generic class double, and I can declare a double, isn't it? Okay, now we will ga2 dot add, I will take the double value. Okay, okay, so now how much easy this is now using generic class. I will declare generic class with the data type. Okay, I will write inside the less than and greater than symbol, then I can declare any type of variable. I can declare t sum, okay, equal to null. Okay, so this is the generic value I can write. Okay, so I can declare the method also a generic type. Return type will be t, add the method name, and I can, as a argument I can pass also as a type t, and inside that I can declare. But at the runtime I can call this method using this generic class type ss. Okay, so this is the we can do. This is how much easy using this generic type. So collections, methods, other methods we can write using this generic type. Okay, because in the data structure there may be a lot of operations you might have to do with lot of various type of data types. So for that you have to declare them as generic type. That's the main goal of making this generic. Okay, and generic class helps in those typecast exception. So that will be little bit complicated. For time being, just remember this will be helpful using. We don't need to each time typecast all this thing. You can use this generic type approach. Okay. So any doubt till now regarding this?
No, sir.
So okay. So we'll stop here. In case of any query, any doubt, we can ask in the next class. Okay.
Yes, sir.